Hawa Volcano National Park. Written by Mike Start. Focus question. What can you see at Hawa Volcano National Park? The volcano wonderful. Hawa Volcano National Park is on the island of Hawa. A national park is Thailand. Volcanoes from a part. A volcano being of hot, melted rock and deep in the earth. The rock pushed through the ground. When the rock cooled over time, the rock built up into the volcano. Two special volcanoes are in Hawa Volcanoes National Park. One volcano in the park is very active, living even in 1959. One volcano shook leave higher air than Eiffel Tower. Another volcano in part very big. An amazing history. Hawa Volcanoes National Park is 520 square miles in 134.7 square kilometers. People come to see volcanoes for a long time. Land became national park in 1960. President Walt Smith land a national park in August 1916. Hawa Volcanoes National Park. There are volcanoes with lava top are big tunnels under the ground. People can walk through them. While volcano edge, hundreds of animals are protected in park. Hundreds of plants are protected in park. Enjoy, watch the step. People can hike or camp in the park. Then the volcanoes artist part of the park are closed. Hawa Volcano National Park is fun to visit. Oh, did you see this volcano? This looks scary. Oh, well, something is white. Look at the sky. I don't know.
Good job.
Goodbye soon.